Today didn't start out as a nature quest. I was actually heading out for a jog, and, well, exercise is important and all, but the sun came out, and it was so hard to run past all the new life without stopping for a moment to appreciate just how beautiful it is. It seems like yesterday when all these fresh young leaves were just little buds bravely emerging in the early spring, and now look at them. So many colors and sizes, shapes and textures. Leaves are incredibly important. When they appear in the spring, the earth takes an enormous cleansing breath. Leaves inhale the carbon dioxide we produce and, with the help of the sun, use it to make useful sugars and the life-giving oxygen that we breathe. This process is called photosynthesis, and it all takes place inside of the humble leaf. I decided to gather 10 different types of leaves. I could have gathered more, but I had an idea for some math that we can do. Now, don't you think that these leaves are amazing works of art? I sure think so. I made a special page that you or your teacher can print out that will become a bit of an art gallery for your leaf collection. Once you have a collection of 10 different leaves, take some time to sketch them. Make sure you observe the shape of each leaf, the texture of its margins, and the patterns made by the veins. It can be tough to capture it all in a sketch, but give it a try. You can also add some color too. And now comes the fun part. How much would you say that each of these works of art are worth? Your prices could be reasonable or expensive, simple or complicated. Whatever you choose, they should be numbers that provide you with an appropriate challenge for the next step, finding the total value of your collection. It can be helpful to have some scrap paper to make your calculations. Other challenges include finding the difference in price between works of art on your first page and your second page, or calculating prices if you have a half-price sale, or figuring out the value of paintings as they double, triple, or even quadruple in price. Your teacher could also give you a set value for your whole collection. Your job is to then figure out how much each piece of leaf art could be worth. You can try situations where each piece of art is worth the same price or different prices. If you're learning about area and perimeter, leaves make excellent practice partners. Trace a leaf onto grid paper to estimate and determine area measurements, or create a frame for a leaf and figure out its perimeter and area. You could also take some time to learn about the parts of leaves and then use that knowledge to collect data on what you notice about the leaves near your home or your school. But most of all, I encourage you to head outside and let your eyes take in all the diversity and beauty of the plant life around you. Take a big breath of that fresh springtime air. What an incredible gift that leaves give us every day.